everybody, it's Marianne. I'm here at the Red Apples Farmers Market, which specializes in African food. They also carry Latino and other foods as well. But the reason why I'm here today is to pick up some palm oil, which I'm going to use in Monday's class for my Brazilian fish soup. So I hope to see you there. And actually, let me go inside and show you what the palm oil looks like. Bye. So now I'm inside of the Red Apple market, and as you can see, they've got a huge selection of red palm oil. And again, this is the heart-healthy, unprocessed red palm oil, not the hydrogenized red palm oil that is full of trans fats and horrible for your heart. So as you can see, look, and they've got all sizes up to like 5-gallon jugs of the red palm oil, and absolutely delicious. So if you want to make my the fish stew tonight, the red palm oil is optional, but it gives it a really special nutty, fruity taste. So I hope to see you again tonight on Monday for the Brazilian will kick out. Bye.